Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Typeform to route responses into Jira projects, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Typeform account. Navigate to the Typeform you want to integrate with Jira. Go to the Connect tab located on the left sidebar. Scroll down to find the webhooks integration option. Click on Add a webhook. In a new tab, log in to your Jira account. Go to the Jira project where you want to receive Typeform responses. Navigate to the project settings. Find the webhooks section under the settings menu. Click on Create a webhook. In the name field, give your webhook a descriptive name. Next, in the URL field, enter the webhook URL provided by Typeform. Select the appropriate events from the list that you want to trigger responses. Make sure to configure the triggers based on your project needs. Save the webhook settings in Jira. Return to your Typeform and paste the Jira webhook URL into the designated field. Customize the payload according to the information you want to send to Jira. Test the connection to ensure Typeform can communicate with Jira. Once the test is successful, save your changes in Typeform. Now, go back to your Jira project. Verify the data is being populated from Typeform responses into your selected fields. Monitor the integration for any errors or issues during the first few submissions. Adjust your Typeform questions if needed to ensure data captures all required information. Finally, keep both Typeform and Jira up to date to maintain seamless integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.